Good morning, P2 students. How are you today? Today is what's the date today? Today is Thursday, and today is Thursday, and it's the 11th of June 2020. So for today's objective, so this is our learning target. So here's that bullseye. So our learning target is I can answer questions. So I have here 4 questions that you are going to answer. So this will be your also your homework for today to see if you are listening to teacher. You're listening to me. So again, our first question is that what makes things spin around? It goes round and round and round. And number 2, what can make things buzz? A can make things move. So this one is, I put a question, but it's I erased. A can make sound. So you can use these 2 words to answer for this 4 question. Again, let's do it one more time. So our learning target is can you see it? I can answer questions. So this question is regarding motor and buzzer, right? So first, can you read with me? Ready? What make things, sorry, there's no S here. What make things spin around? And number 2, what can make things buzz? Next, a can make things move. So you choose here. A can make a sound. So let's review now your book. Okay? So for your book,
this guy looks crazy.
So this book,
Mom, yes. This guy looks crazy.
Sorry, that's my son. Okay, so here again for your book, this is our lesson yesterday, page 54, and now let's review how much you remember. So here again, this is a motor and
Lego.
Yes, and this one can.
Mom, this is
Can I see your Lego? Can you move here? So this one is a motor, and it can make things spin or move. And here, these are the examples of things that can move. We have here the fan. Here is used for the dentist, or sometimes like some toothbrushes are, it uses motor in order to move. You know those electric toothbrush. You're like that. And this one is a washing machine. And we also have another example. We have the what was it again? The blender and the mixer. So they use motors. So here a buzzer can make a sound. Like you know the sound of the bee, buzz, buzz, like that. So they also need electricity. All of them needs electricity in order for it to work. So here again, let's review this one. So a buzzer can make a sound, and also it can what? It can buzz, right? From a buzzer can buzz. A buzzer can buzz like sound. Okay, so buzzer will only work if the wires are right way around. The red wire from the buzzer must be connected to the positive side of the cell. All these things use buzzers. So we have this, what's this again? When you press the door, and then here is a cell phone, and here is the Here, doorbell, and then this one is alarm clock. So again, you're going to answer number 1. What make things spin around? Number 2, what can make things buzz? A can make things move. A can make a sound. All right, so teacher will also type this question on on the Google, okay, on the classwork. All right, that will be all for today. Good job. Goodbye.